Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Creek Classics. Back here at our Lincoln Mark III build. Pretty exciting day here. We just made a run down to Mountaineer Racetrack in West Virginia. Met with our chrome guy that we've used here a few times. And we picked up the bumpers. We dropped these off a couple weeks ago, met him down there. It's kind of a halfway point for us and him. And getting these all unpacked. Blake's getting all the little bumper corners unpacked. Now you guys can see here, it looks pretty nice. Got a nice reflection. He puts this protective wax on there to, I guess, keep from getting scratched. So we're pretty happy. This is a big step here with the car. We got the back bumper brackets in a coat of high build primer. We're going to get them sanded and get them painted today. And this is another part of the rear structure where the backup lights bolt to and the license plate light and frame go to. But we're coming along pretty good. Got the headlight assemblies all in. Got them all hooked up. I'm still waiting on the carburetor. It was shipped a week ago, but I don't know if it was lost in the mail or not. We'll get it all sanded and get it all together and get the bumper ready to put on. Okay guys, so Blake is now putting the reverse light brackets into the bumper. In typical Lincoln fashion, there are more pieces that need to be there for what it needs to do. This rear bumper has probably, I don't know, 50, 60 pieces counting all the hardware. Here's a bunch of the bolts and stuff there just to mount to the car and some other stuff, and the super complex reverse light brackets. So we're gonna get this together and maybe get this bumper on here today. So we have our bumper together. Blake got all the pieces on it. I think we have everything on. So we're gonna get this, get it mounted up here. Alright guys, so here's our bumper all finished up. We had a lot of issues with getting it to fit pretty nice. Had to hog out some of the holes, but pretty happy with it. Gaps are pretty consistent for the most part. Just waiting on the rest of the chrome to come in. These pot metal pieces I sent to Texas, they should be back here soon, so get that all together, that'll be done. But all in all, we're pretty happy with it. Fits nice, looks good, nice and shiny. So that's going to conclude this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate the comments. Appreciate the subscribers. So don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe some more, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.